guys! Welcome back to my channel! Luis react to Baby Monster, yung billionaire nila na kanta performance video, dance performance video. Yun yung rarakan natin ngayon. Tapos napanood ko kung paano sila nabuo yung Baby Monster. Let's watch it. Baby, I'm a monster. Wait lang. Gustong gusto ko talaga pag sinasabi nila yung Baby, I'm a monster. Playback nga natin. Baby, I'm a monster.
I've never felt like this before. They stop
Ganda.
when I walk through the door. Something click, it's a state of mind.
Nakalimutan ko na yung ibang pangalan ng iba.
Step up, reach can be quantified. And it ain't my
Ooh.
fault if you're not trying to match my
Si,
moves.
ano ba
Sorry,
to?
but that's on you.
Chiquita. Chiquita.
Told me to
Tama ba?
You know I'm not talking cash. Got a thing that's
Para siyang Lisa, no?
rich can be
Playback mo.
quantified. And it ain't my fault if you're not trying to match my moves.
Ganda
Sorry,
niya.
but that's on you. Baby, I don't need to brag. You know I'm not talking cash. Got a thing that's only mine. And I want your eyes go green. I can feel your
Si Ayon. Ayon, ang ganda.
Up here in the sky,
Baby face siya, no?
look at me.
Para naman siyang Jenny.
Feeling like a billionaire. Word is my life is so unfair.
Nakalimutan ko na kasi yung pangalan ng iba.
I got something rare. Feeling like a billionaire.
Got rules, hit a break. Say one, but just in your
Ooh.
face. Hit a boom in the bass. Pump it up, back it up, turn it up. R-U-K-A.
It's a bit of names so cut the deck. Delete out. Put the
Ang
money,
angas,
power,
ah.
and respect. Arigato, hold that, hold that, hold that. Got the flame. Bet it on me, double up your life. Baby, I don't need to brag. You know I'm not talking cash. Got a thing that's only
Lahat talaga sila talented, no?
mine. And I want your eyes go
Ay, may piercing siya sa... May piercing siya sa may ano...
eyes go green.
Puso.
Your jealousy. Up here in the sky.
Okay, ang angas.
Look at me.
Ganda ni Ayon, ah. Ooh. The twerk. Balik ko.
Look at me. I woke up feeling like a billionaire. World is mine, life is so unfair. Money don't compare.
Ganda.
Something rare. Feeling like a billionaire. Billionaire. Billionaire.
Yun there.
Baby monster, got me feeling like a billionaire.
Billionaire.
Billionaire. Baby monster, got me feeling like a
Billionaire. Billionaire. Ganda. There. Angas. Dati napapanood ko yung ano nila. Sa YouTube yun eh. Sa YouTube ko napanood yun, yung parang binubuo pa lang sila. Tapos parang sinabi nung una, ilan lang sa kanila yung makaka-debut. Tapos bandang huli, lahat pala sila magde-debut. Ang ganda, no? Wala lang. Ang ganda lang nung... Hindi ko na kasi maalala yung ibang pangalan ng ibang member. Pero ang tumatak kasi sa akin nun si Chiquita. Chiquita ba yung pangalan niya? At saka si Ayon. Ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Until the next reaction video. Bye!